Hi, I wanted to give you my thoughts on this 5.9-inch exhaust hose with accessories for your portable air conditioner unit. You can use this both vertical and horizontally in your window depending on how it opens. We've been using this vertically. It comes with the hose. The hose is really nice because it extends and it's really easy to adjust and bend. It's been nice and durable. The window piece can extend to from 17 inches up to 60 inches. So it actually has 4 pieces. We only had to use 2 for our bedroom window here. It also comes with all the hardware so that you can lock this in place if need be. And then it comes with easy step-by-step instructions on how to set this up. So all you have to do is connect the coupler to the hole. Extend, place it in the window, and then the hose connects to the back of our portable air conditioner. The easiest way is to slide it on and then it should click into place. So it's adjusted. You can see the hose fits nicely on here. But like I said, it has step-and-step instructions. But if you're looking for a nice replacement hose for your window, I highly recommend this one.